Okay, so good
Good
afternoon,
morning.
sir.
Yeah,
Oh,
very good afternoon. How are you?
yeah, I'm doing great. And what's about you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. All right, today we
Yes,
will
sir.
discuss another topic. Do you have any topic?
Yeah, I just think that if we are conversating in English, so we could talk on the topic English. English is only the topic through which we could have the conversation on that.
Yes, yes. Okay, no problem. All right, before starting our conversation, yeah, we should introduce ourselves. So first of all, please say something about yourself for my viewers.
Okay, definitely, sir. So thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Suniti Kumari. I am from Jharkhand. I am studying class 11th, and my hobby is to learn English language and to learn something new. And that's all about me. What's about you, sir?
Yeah, yeah, it's wonderful introduction from your side, and it's my turn. First of all, thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. I am Santanu Das. I am connecting from West Bengal, and by professional, I am working person. I work in a hospital as an attendant, and I have been working over there more than 10 years. And if I talk about my hobbies, I always like playing cricket and football because nowadays I don't play cricket and football because I don't get free time.
Okay, sir.
And before joining the hospital, I used to teach at my home as a private tutor in mathematics subjects. Yeah. Nowadays, I don't teach because I don't get free time. Apart from that, I'm running my one YouTube channel, which name is English with SD. That's all about me. It is my short introduction.
Yeah, that's really very great to hear about you, sir. So, you can start the first. What do you think English is really very important or not? And what is your opinion about this?
Yes, yes. It is first of all, I am telling you, it is wonderful topic. Yeah, why English is important nowadays in our society. Yeah, I observed that. Yeah, definitely, English is very important nowadays in our society because nowadays I observe that most of the guardian and most of the parents they are always sending their child in English medium school nowadays because English is an international language as well as a communication language. Yeah, to communicate each other, to communicate other country of people, English is necessary. English is needful language. And right now you are from another state, you have your own native language, but I don't know your native language properly. But I am from West Bengal. Bengali is my mother tongue. I know very well Bengali language, but I don't know your native language properly. But after learning this language, after learning English language, we are talking each other. We are connecting each other. That's why English is connecting language. Yeah. And on the other hand, number two, English is a professional language. Whenever you go to the interview for taking a good job in a multinational company, first of all, the interviewer asks the question in English. That's why nowadays English is very important. Actually, English is overall, I would say English is very important nowadays.
Yes, sir, you are absolutely right, and I agree with your opinion that English is really very important nowadays because all the things that is happening, and we could say that if we want to survive in this environment nowadays, then there is needed to know the English language because it has given a lots of importance to live with them. And definitely, I could say that if we want to connect with the peoples like we are connecting from other states, or if we also want to connect with the peoples from other country, then there is needed to communicate in the English language, and there is needed English language only because English is only the common language through which we could connect globally with the peoples. And we could all the people they could learn all the languages whatever in the world exist, but it is impossible for all the peoples. But we could say if we want to connect globally with the peoples, then there is needed to know the English language because English is only the language through which we could connect globally. And the other thing that we could say that for taking interviews, or if you want to take a good job in our future, then definitely there is needed to know English language because in the interview, as you have already mentioned, there is needed. So that's why we could see all the things that is happening, all the things that we are seeing. There is needed for English language only. And most of the people they just think that I'm not able to speak very well English language. That's why they just left for learning English language, for speaking English language. But we don't have to do that kind of things. There is needed a lots of practice because English is a language. And definitely, if we are knowing English language, it definitely if we are learning English or any language, then there is needed a lots of practice. That's why we don't have to left all those things. And I could say that all the people they must know English language because English has given a very vital role in nowadays, and I could say that all the childrens they are knowing English language in the schools, they are teaching English language. So definitely there is a lots of importance. That's why they are just going to teach the student how to speak, how to learn. Then definitely I just think that in my opinion English is really very important for us.
Yes, yes, you are absolutely right. You have explained very well. First of all, I am adding another things also, and yeah, I observed that in the government sector, all documents are written in English. Yeah, and
Yes,
nowadays, I observe that if you want to go higher studies, if you want to go higher studies, at that time, all books are written in English. Yeah, that's why nowadays English is very important, and yeah, if learning English, you will get so many advantage. I observed that one a few days ago, one of the person who was telling me, right now he belongs to he is living in Dubai, and he went there only for cooking. Only for cooking, he went there doing a job also, and after that over there they learned English language. And after learning the English language, he told me, bro, I got promotion in my company, and right now I am doing a job as a manager post in this company. And
yes, sir,
what is the
definitely.
advantage of English they are also getting? I observe that nowadays English is very important.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. And most of the people they just think that if I have just educated and if I will also gonna to take the interview in Hindi, then I will get that much of the importance. But it is definitely false. Like if we want to create our own importance, then there is also needed to know the English language because we will make the fool from the peoples. They will laugh at us that nowadays, now in this era, all the people they are knowing English language, but you are not knowing. So definitely they just needed to know English language in a better way, in a great way. And we could also say that it is also not a very like hard to learn English language. There is needed a practice. If we will make a consistent practice towards learning, towards speaking, then definitely we could achieve a good improvement in ourselves.
Yeah, 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 absolutely right. Yeah, that's why also nowadays maybe most of the guardian and most of the parents they are always sending their child in English medium school nowadays. But I observed that nowadays in our locality, I observed that there are so many English medium school. But during my study, when I was studying in my primary school, when I was studying in my high school, at that time there was no English medium school in my locality. But nowadays there are so many English medium school, and most of the guardian they are sending their child in English medium school. And you know very well how much English is important
Yes, yes.
for our society. Yeah, nowadays. Yeah, I
Yes, sir,
observed
you
that.
are absolutely right. And you know that I'm also a student. That's why, like, I could see the importance of English language. Like, I am a student of class 11. That's why I could see a large, like, if the people, one who moves from class 10 to 11, if they are not habitual about English language, then definitely they will get a lots of difficulties in studying, in education. They will get a lots of difficulty. That's why I can say that English really plays an important role for all the students, for all the speaker, for all the learner. And I'm also having two small brothers. He is also studying in English medium school, and he's also practicing English language because I'm just like looking forward towards the importance of English language. It's really very important to know. So that's why I'm also practicing with them to improve my communication skill, and they are also improving their communication skill by practicing with me.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. On the other hand, I observed that if you right now also the social media is available. Most of the students they are using the mobile phone, and if you are good at English, yeah, you can survive. You can use the mobile phone very easily. You can use the internet on the mobile phone. You can search so many things by learning the English language. If you have a knowledge of English language, yeah, you can learn so many things, and you can search so many things on the mobile phone.
Yes, sir, you are absolutely right. And most of the people they are habitual that they could learn English language through social media nowadays. And even though if they have not joined any coaching center or any tuitions for learning English language, by expecting all those things, they could learn English from the social medias because I have also learned English from social media. I have not joined any coaching tuitions for learning or speaking English language since like you have also you are also knowing that I am here in the Skype application or TeamViewer application since 2 years. and I'm just practicing with the co-learners through which I'm just like improving my communicational skills, and lots of things I'm doing from the social medias for learning English language. So definitely all the people they could learn, and definitely in this era all the people they are having the phones, laptop. There is nobody, like in the rare case most of the people they are not having phones, laptops, but I could say most of the people they are having the phones through which they could learn English language in a great way, in a better way, so that they could improve their communication skill.
Yeah, yeah, you're right. And what do you think about your state, about your state? And I observe that in my state and the government school, I am telling you the government school. And during my study, there was no English subject. Nowadays, there is a subject, English subject in the in my government school. But English is read and write. Yeah, not
Yes,
it is
yes.
not spoken. And what do you think about your government? They should start spoken English on the school. What do you
Yeah,
think?
definitely. Yeah, definitely. They should start. Yeah, I know that all the schools, all the government school, or all the normal school, like rare normal schools that we could say private schools, they teach English as a subject, but they don't treat English as a language. They just like remember all the rules of the grammars, and they just teach the syllabus of the English language, but they don't focus on the speaking part. They just think that like definitely they are just focusing on the syllabus. By covering the syllabus they are just they are focusing on the reading part, writing part, but they are not like focusing on the speaking part. That's why I could say that they should also focus on the speaking part. But in my schools they are also been focused on the speaking part. There's a lots of thing happening in my schools, debate competitions and speaking with the peoples, with the students, it is happening so that all the people they could improve their communication skills. But there should be rules in every school so that all the people they will not get, all the students they will not get a lots of difficulties in learning English language, and they could get all the facilities in their school. That's why I could say that government should make the rules for speaking part
Yes.
also, like yeah, yeah, definitely.
Yeah, and in my locality there are so many English medium school, but I noticed that in the English medium school, read and write in English. Yeah, read and write, everything is English. But when it comes about the speaking, they are always focused on native language. Yeah, and one of my friends, he is doing a job at the English teacher in English medium school. I asked him this question. Yeah, during your class, in which language we use? Yeah, and he told me, yeah, bro, I use my native language. Uh, and at the time, I replied, but we already will have to take our English language because it is also English medium school. And but he replied, yeah, the student cannot understand properly. That's why also I use the native language. And what do you think? Is it right or
Yeah, yeah,
wrong?
yeah. Yeah, you are absolutely right. Most of the students they are not able to understand the things in English. When talking about like understanding part, they are not able to understand very well. Because I am also a student, I've also done all the studies, all the like previous study, LA study I have done. So that's the most of the students they are not able to understand. That's why the teachers they used to explain in their native language. That's why all the people they are focusing on native language, through which it also a disadvantage for not learning English language. If they will focus how to learn how to speak English language, then they could have that kind of facilities. But they just think that if I'm not able to understand, and they also not try to understand in English language. They just think that yeah, I'm just come here to study, so I should get proper understanding purpose from my native language. But they don't try to learn. They don't try to speak English language. That's why they are just losing their hope for not learning English language.
Yeah, yeah, you're right. But I replied to my friends, yeah, bro, yes, student cannot understand. Maybe at the beginning time it is so difficult, but you should speak English with them. Maybe they cannot understand first time or second time, maybe 1 week or 2 weeks, but definitely one day they will catch your language. They will understand your language. But in the English medium school, always you have to speak with them in English. Little by little, they will learn from you. Yeah, definitely. In my point of view, I replied this this type of
Yes, sir,
answer.
yeah. Yeah, and like in the English medium schools, there is a rule that we have to conversate, we have to speak with the teachers, or we have to speak with the student in English language. There is a rule. Nowadays, all the like most of the schools they have the rule. They had made the rule that we have to conversate with the teachers or anything. If we want to tell to the teachers or a student, then we have to speak in English language only.
Yeah, yeah, you are right. Yeah,
And
and
it's a
nowadays,
good thing. Yeah, it's a good thing for
yeah,
all the student that if they will do this kind of thing, then definitely they could improve English language by themselves only.
yeah, you are right. Actually, environment is very important. Yeah, first of all, always you have to make a good English environment. Yeah, and why? Actually, I belong to village area. I have been learning this language for a long time, maybe more than 1 year or 2 years. But I observe that there is no good English environment. That's why I have to face a lot of problem. And if there is a good English environment, you can learn this language very easily. And you in the
Yeah,
English
yeah,
medium
yeah.
school, always first of all, always you have to make a good English environment. Yeah, whatever you are doing, always you have to speak in English. Come here, go there. Please open the book. Please open the page number 10. In this way also you can start, and
Yeah,
always you
yeah,
have to
yeah.
speak regular basis. In my point of view.
Yeah, yeah, definitely, sir. They should be involvement. All the people, they should create all the learner. They should create their own environment if they are not getting the environment. Because, like, definitely you have heard that society don't takes care about you for learning any something new. That's why we should have to create our own environment if we really want to achieve that success for improvement of speaking English language, or if we also want to success our goals, then there is needed to create our own environment, and we don't have to lose our hope that we are not able to catch all those things. We have to just be consistent. If we will consistent to all those things, then definitely a time will come we could achieve that success.
Yeah, yeah. And nowadays, do you study English medium school?
Yes, sir.
Now, right now, so you are studying in 11th standard, and do you study English medium school?
Yeah, yeah, I'm studying in English medium school only.
And when you were studying in 6th standard or 7th standard, at that time, did you study English medium school?
Yeah, yeah. From my childhood, I am studying in English
Okay.
medium schools. That's why I'm just knowing the importance of English language. And when I have entered to class 8, I was completely not knowing how to speak English language. At the time, I realized that there is needed to speak, there is needed to have the conversation with the people. That's why I could have the better improvement in my speaking skill. That's why, like when I was in class 8, I started to speak with the people, and at that time only my journey of the English language has been started.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. There is a good English environment at your school, and that's why also you don't have any problem. But during my study, my all study was my Bengali medium school, and when I went to the college for my graduation, at that time I had to study in English. English, all subjects were English, and at that time I had to face a lot of problem. Yeah, because my all
Yeah,
study was
yeah.
Bengali medium school.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
and at that time I had to face a lot of problem.
Yes, sir, definitely you have faced a lots of problem, even though you are speaking very great English language. Like you are speaking very fluent with a confident English language. That's why all the people, most of the viewers, they could learn English from you. So you are a great inspired from the peoples. They could learn English language through you.
Yeah, nowadays also I'm being able to speak English little bit. Yeah, my goal is I want to become a good English speaker. And in my point of view, practice is the most important. Yeah, consistency is very important. Unless you have to practice regular basis, and unless you have to open your mouth. This is the problem. I observe that many learners who are learning language, they are good at English grammar. They can read properly, they can write properly in English, but they can also understand properly while watching any English content. But they can't speak properly. What is the reason? Because they don't open their mouth. Yeah, but for speaking English, they have to speak a regular basis, maybe minimum 10 minutes or 20 minutes every single day.
Yes, sir, you are absolutely right. So I just think that we have covered all those things. So shall we wrap up the session now?
Yeah, yeah. All right. It was a nice conversation with you. Yeah. Thank you for giving your valuable time. I have learned so many things by connecting with you. Yeah. All right. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good
Yeah,
day.
thank you. Yeah, thank you so much, sir.